A Bacolena was chosen recently as third runner-up of Mrs. Globe Philippines Classic pageant recently held in Palm Springs, California, USA. Helen Mendoza Bishop, a special education teacher in Brisbane, Australia, represented the Philippines in this pageant, joined by married women ages 45 up. Helen is a graduate of education from the University of St. LaSalle in 1988 and is married to Simon Bishop, an Australian, of whom she has a daughter, Hayley. Helen felt that women after 50, a lot are feeling downhill, and she felt women can turn it around by helping other women in the world through WIN Foundation, the platform of Mrs. Globe pageant, especially for women who are escaping an abusive relationship. Helen also got the special award Best in Smile award, fitting as she represents the City of Smiles, Bacolod City.